There's some new Christmas earrings right here. Let's see, we have this one. I think I've seen this one last year. Oh, this is so cute. It is cute. But it's not a thick one. I wish this was like the one that you can put 2 years instead of. This is cute too. It says holiday and drawing. Okay, I think my favorite is the ginger, and then this is what's the other one? Santa upside down. That's these. Oh, here's another one. Oh wait.